scattered. The severe thunderstorm warning for western Holmes County is canceled.
This is Jackson.
The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for Central Mississippi.
What?
To report severe weather,
How?
contact your nearest law
How?
enforcement agency.
How?
They will relay your report to the National Weather Service Jackson. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Holmes County in Central Mississippi, Southwestern Etowah County in Central Mississippi, Northeastern Yazoo County in Central Mississippi, Northeastern Madison County in Central Mississippi, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coxburg, or 10 miles southwest of Lexington, moving southeast at 50 miles.
How is this happening? How is this even possible? That's literally... This is literally in Central Mississippi.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, This severe thunderstorm will be near. Winds around 35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Chickens and rock around 50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And wave around 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a dangerous storm.
What the heck was that?